Hello, let us understand treating psychosis with integrative medicine. What is integrative medicine? Integrative medicine is treating every disease with allopathy and homeopathy, that is with conventional system of medicine along with the complementary system of medicine. Now, when it comes to psychosis, let us understand what psychosis is. Psychosis means it presents with delusions and hallucinations. The patient would be having variety of delusions like delusion of persecution. For example, they feel that somebody is trying to persecute them. They feel that they are being persecuted by somebody else. In fact, they would not be persecuted by anybody. Delusions of reference, where they feel that somebody is talking about them. Somebody is referring to them. In fact, nobody would be talking about them or referring to them. Delusions of infidelity, where the husband or wife would be attributing infidelity to their spouses. In fact, they would be not having any illicit relationship. Persecution, reference or infidelity and grandiosity and so on and so forth. There are so many symptoms in a case of psychosis. Along with these delusions, the psychotic patient also would be having a lot of hallucinations. The patient would be having auditory hallucinations. For example, they will be hearing somebody talking even though nobody is talking in front of them. They will be hearing some voices as if somebody is talking to them. That is auditory hallucination. They may be having visual hallucination. They may be seeing something which is actually not present over there. They may be having tactile hallucination. They feel that some ants are crawling on their body even though nothing is there. They may be having gustatory hallucinations. They may be having olfactory hallucinations. These kind of variety of delusions and hallucinations are found in a patient with psychosis. Now, what are the treatment options for patients with psychosis? For patients with psychosis, the most common medicines what we prescribe in allopathic system of medicine are the antipsychotic medicines. Well, many patients respond very well with the antipsychotics despite the side effects like weight gain or many other side effects which are minimum with the better medicines nowadays. Well, when a person responds well with antipsychotic medicines, we need to continue them for a few months or years. But there are some patients who do not respond very well with antipsychotics. Do we need to leave them like that because they are not responding very well? No. Along with the antipsychotics, we can combine homeopathy to give a better result. Yes, there are wonderful remedies in homeopathy where we can use those medicines and give a better quality of life to the patients with psychotic disorder. Any patient with psychosis, if they want to take integrative medicine, yes, they can aim to reduce the pill burden over a period of time, and also they can aim to have a better quality of life. These side effects can be reduced because the pill burden would be reduced. So, whenever you try to treat a patient with psychosis, remember the better option of integrative medicine. After all, integrative medicine is trying to gain more than what you plan. Thank you for listening.